A beautiful hotel. Two excited travelers. Mike and Anna are about to check in for the first time. But will everything go smoothly? I am here to help you learn English the easy way. Slow, simple, and clear. In today's video, you are going to watch Mike and Anna. They are friends and they are going on a vacation together. They arrive at a hotel and they need to check in, talk to the receptionist, and solve a small problem. Mike is a little nervous because his English is not perfect, but Anna is there to help him. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
We are finally here. This is the hotel.
Yes, it looks very beautiful, just like the photos.
I think it is even more beautiful than the photos. I like the building.
It looks very clean from the outside.
I am so excited about this vacation.
Me too. I want to visit the old town.
And I want to try the local food.
We have 3 days. We can do everything.
But I am a little nervous
Why are you nervous?
because I need to speak English at the reception. My English is not very good.
Do not worry, your English is quite good. Just speak slowly and clearly.
What if I do not understand what they say?
Then ask them to repeat. You can say, "Could you please say that again?"
Okay, you are right. I will do my best.
That is the spirit. Let us go inside.
Do you have the reservation information?
Yes, it is on my phone. Do not worry.
All right, let us go.
Good afternoon. We have a reservation. It is under the name Mike Johnson.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Let me check. Yes, I found it. A room for 2 for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much. One moment, please. Everything is in order. Your room is on the 4th floor, number 407.
Room 407. Got it. Thank you.
Breakfast is served on the 1st floor in the restaurant from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
From 7 to 10 in the morning. Great.
The Wi-Fi password is written on a card on the desk in your room.
Very good. We will definitely need it.
Here is your key. The elevator is on the left side, just around the corner.
On the left side. Got it. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. If you need anything, please call the front desk. Enjoy your vacation.
Here we are. Room 407.
The room is very clean and bright.
Yes, and it is bigger than I expected.
The bed looks very comfortable. I want to lie down.
We just got here. Look at the view from the window.
Wow, it is so beautiful. I can see the city and the river.
I really like this room. It is perfect.
I really like it too. Let me check the bathroom. The shower looks nice. There are towels, soap, and shampoo.
Great. We have everything we need.
It really is a nice hotel. I am so happy that we chose this hotel.
I am very happy too. Now, let me check the Wi-Fi. Where is the card?
It is on the desk right here. The password is written on it.
Okay, let me try. It is not working. I cannot connect.
Really? That is strange. Let me try on my phone too.
How is it?
No, it is not working for me either. I typed the password correctly.
Let's call the front desk and ask for help.
Good idea. I will call them. Hello, this is room 407. The Wi-Fi is not working in our room. We tried several times, but we cannot connect.
I am very sorry about that. Did you use the password on the card on the desk?
Yes, I did. I checked the password 3 times. It is correct.
I understand. Could you try turning off your Wi-Fi and then turning it on again?
Okay, let me try. Let me wait a moment. No, it is still not working.
I understand. I am sorry. Our technical team was supposed to come today to check the Wi-Fi problem on the fourth floor. I forgot to let you know. I apologize, please.
No problem. Thank you for your help.
You are doing great so far. Did you notice the word receptionist? A receptionist is the person who works at the front desk of a hotel. They help you check in, give you your room key, and answer your questions. Anna spoke to the receptionist on the phone about the Wi-Fi problem and a small grammar note. Mike said, "What if I do not understand what they say?" The phrase "what if" is used to talk about a possible situation in the future. What if it rains tomorrow? What happens if it rains? What if they do not have a room? What happens then? Try to keep that in mind. Our question in this video is, was the Wi-Fi problem fixed? The answer is coming very soon. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even a single word is perfect. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. What happens next is very interesting. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's continue.
What did they say?
She said their technical team was supposed to come today to check the Wi-Fi problem on the fourth floor. She forgot to let us know.
I see. By the way, you spoke really well on the phone.
Thank you. I was a little nervous, but it was not too bad.
See? You can do it.
Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. We would like to have dinner here.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, we do not. Is that a problem?
Not a problem at all. How many people?
2 people. A table for 2, please.
Of course. Please follow me. I have a nice table by the window.
Wonderful. Thank you. I love sitting by the window.
Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink first?
What do you recommend?
Our iced tea is very popular. We also have fresh orange juice and lemonade.
Iced tea sounds good. I will have that, please.
I will have iced water for now.
1 iced tea and 1 iced water? I will be right back.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready to order food or would you like a few more minutes?
A few more minutes, please.
Of course, take your time.
Okay, we are ready. I will have the pasta, please. And my friend would like the grilled chicken.
1 pasta and 1 grilled chicken. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
I want to go to the old part of the city. I heard it is very beautiful.
That sounds fun. We can walk around and take pictures.
Yes, maybe we can find a nice cafe along the way.
That would be great. I always love finding small, cute cafes.
I feel a little full, but I know I will get hungry again at night.
You always get hungry at night, every single time.
I know. I cannot help it.
That was fast service. The food is here. This looks amazing.
Everything looks so good. Let us eat.
This is so delicious. The chicken is very soft.
My pasta is really good too. It is not too salty and not too bland.
How is the sauce?
It is creamy and light. I really like it. Would you like to try some?
Sure,
How is it?
it is very good. The portion is just right, too. Not too much and not too little. Let us go to a store later. We can buy some snacks for tonight.
Great idea. And we can take a short walk after dinner.
Sure, a night walk would be really nice. The weather is warm tonight.
Yes, it is a perfect evening for a walk.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. Excuse me, where is the water? I cannot find it.
The water is in the back, on the left side. You will see a big refrigerator.
In the back on the left side. Thank you. I would also like these chips, this chocolate, and these bananas.
Sure. Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything.
How would you like to pay?
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes. We accept credit cards, debit cards, or cash.
I will pay with my credit card, please.
Sure. Please tap your card right here.
Okay, done. Did it work?
Yes. The payment is complete. Here is your receipt. Would you like a bag?
No, thank you. We do not need a bag.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay, we got everything.
Let me see. Water, chips, chocolate, and bananas. We bought a lot of snacks.
We need them for tonight.
You and your late night snacks. Would you like to walk a little more?
Sure. The night air feels really nice.
I agree. It is such a calm and peaceful evening.
This is great. I am glad we went out for a walk.
Me too. Okay, let us head back to the hotel soon. We have a big day tomorrow.
You are right. Let us go back. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Mike. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. The bed was very comfortable. How about you?
Me too, Lars. I slept like a baby. I did not wake up at all during the night.
Great. Let me check the Wi-Fi. I hope they fixed it.
Let us see.
Yes, it is working. They fixed it.
Oh, finally! Now I can check my messages and look at the map.
I also want to look up some places to visit today.
Would you like to go to breakfast? I am very hungry.
Yes, I am hungry too. What time is it now?
It is 8 o'clock. We still have plenty of time. Breakfast is until 10.
Perfect. Let me get ready first. I need about 15 minutes.
Sure. No rush at all. Take your time.
Look outside the window. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining.
Wow, you are right. The sky is completely blue. There is not a single cloud.
It is perfect weather for walking around the city. I checked the map, and the old town is not very far from here.
Great. How far is it?
About a 20-minute walk, or we can take a bus.
Let us walk. The weather's so nice. Wow, there are so many choices.
I know, the bread looks fresh and the fruit looks wonderful.
This is really great. The eggs are perfect.
My coffee is great too. I am glad we came down for breakfast.
Me too. Okay, let us finish up and go explore the city.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Good morning, sir. Of course. May I have your room number, please?
Yes, it is room 407.
Room 407. Thank you. Let me pull up your bill. Here is your bill. Would you like to check it before you pay?
Yes, please. Let me see. 3 nights, room charge, and dinner. It looks correct.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by credit card, please.
Sure. Please insert your card here and enter your PIN.
Okay. Done.
Thank you. The payment is complete. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Were you happy with your stay?
Yes, we were very happy. The room was very nice and the breakfast was delicious.
I'm so glad to hear that. I apologize again for the Wi-Fi problem on the first day.
It is no problem. It was fixed quickly. There was no problem at all.
Thank you for your understanding. May I have your room key back?
Oh, I am sorry. I almost forgot. Here you go.
No problem at all. It happens all the time. Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We hope to see you again.
It really was a wonderful hotel.
I agree. The staff was very friendly and helpful.
The room was clean and comfortable. The restaurant food was delicious.
And the view from the window was amazing. I took so many photos.
You know what? I learned a lot of English on this vacation.
Really? That is great. Like what?
For example, how to check in at a hotel, how to order food, and how to ask for help when something goes wrong.
That is true. You also learned how to pay at the store.
Yes, even the Wi-Fi problem was good practice for speaking English.
That is a very positive way to think about it. I was nervous at first, but now I feel much more confident.
You should feel confident. You spoke very well the whole vacation. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mike. I want to travel more and keep practicing my English.
Me too. Let us plan another vacation soon. Maybe to a different city.
That sounds wonderful. I cannot wait.
Next time, our English will be even better. I am sure of it.
I hope so. Let us go. Our next adventure is waiting.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let us quickly go over some key words from today's story. The first word, check in. This means to arrive at a hotel and register at the front desk. You give your name, show your passport, and get your room key. Mike and Anna checked in at the reception and got room 407. The second word, front desk. This is the place in a hotel where the receptionist works. If you have a problem or a question, you call the front desk. Anna called the front desk when the Wi-Fi was not working. The third word, receipt. This is the small piece of paper you get after you pay for something. It shows what you bought and how much you paid. Mike got a receipt when he checked out of the hotel, and Anna got a receipt at the store. Now let us go back to our question. Was the Wi-Fi problem fixed? Did you find the answer? Write your answers in the comments. I will check them. And tell me, have you ever had a Wi-Fi problem at a hotel? I would really love to know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want more slow and easy English conversations like this one, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. That way you will know when new lessons come out. I will be here with a new story for you very often.